If you're over 40 and remember when YouTube was just you, your camera, and your story, then this video is just for you. You see, there's a raw, unfiltered tactic quietly taking over YouTube right now, inviting you to show up just as you are. Miss it, and your channel could disappear, just like them old VHS tapes from back in the day. You see, right now, one of my students, Brad, he decided to try this raw and real approach. No scripts, no polish, just his truth. But here's the question. Can he actually break through? Or is this the moment that he fades out like so many others? You see, we all remember when we could just grab a camera, whatever we had. No script, no plan, just a moment worth sharing from the heart. Well, it turns out that's exactly what's working again. You see, the fastest growing creators, well, there's no fancy setups, no endless edits, just real stories, phones out, and spirit in the room, life on display. Because those creators who win in 2025, they're not chasing trends, they're showing up soul first. And that's how Brad, one of my students, started too. Sure, he was nervous, unsure, but willing to show up anyway. And what happens for him next? Well, it might just surprise you. But here's where so many of us get stuck, especially if you've been creating for years. We start believing every word needs to be scripted. Every frame perfect, or it just doesn't count. It's what we were taught after all, as things got more professional. But the truth is, viewers aren't searching for perfect anymore. They're scrolling, searching for someone who actually feels human. Someone who feels present. You see, Brad wrestled with this too, caught between get it right and simply just showing up as himself. But the creators who are really finding momentum right now, they're choosing something different. Letting go of polish, leaning into that beautiful mess and showing up as their whole, unfiltered selves. You see, when you let your real energy lead, people don't just watch, they connect. See, that's the shift that Brad chose to make, and it changed everything for him. And for you, it's never too late to do the same. This video will show you how to bring real, raw presence into your YouTube channel, no matter how late you're starting or how much you actually doubt yourself. You see, it's not about being perfect. It's about letting your true self come forward and simply watching what unfolds. And the best part? You don't need any fancy gear or complicated hacks to unlock the algorithm. You just need the courage to make one single shift in how you show up. It's a shift that 99% of creators are still too afraid to make, but you can. The new superpower isn't flawless editing. It's simply showing up whole, real, with all your quirks, pauses, and soul, and even a cup of tea. You see, presence is what people are truly craving. When you let yourself be a little messy and honest and true, it stops feeling like a performance and it starts feeling like a FaceTime with an old friend. The more of your real self that you share, the more someone else feels their own humanity reflected back to them. That's what creates real resonance after all. So here's where things start to shift. Instead of planning, just turn on your camera. No script, no edits, just one idea that matters to you right now. Set a timer, say 3 minutes, and let yourself just speak your truth without any judgment. Treat it like a ritual, a way to practice being seen, not for the numbers, but for the experience of showing up as your whole unfiltered self. Now, if posting publicly feels intimidating, come and share it inside my community, the Heartbrand Creators Circle. There'll be a link around this video so you can come and join it, where you'll be surrounded by others on the same path as you. Practicing presence together, no judgment, just real support. Like I say, there'll be a link around this video. Come and join us. But remember, the algorithm and the whole world can only amplify what you're willing to bring out of hiding. And I'll say that again. The algorithm and the whole world can only amplify what you are willing to bring out of hiding. Now, I remember sitting at my desk, scrolling through our community space on a quiet morning. That's when Brad's post caught my eye. He just joined the Heartbrand Blueprint, and he was uploading these raw, straight-to-camera videos. and he shared that he was nervous, but he wanted to help other creatives find their center. I paused and I watched his first video. The numbers, 10 views, 28, 37. To be fair, they barely moved. And my first thought was, this is the part where most people just give up. I felt a mix of empathy and hope for him. Would he keep going? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. But Brad did. Every week he came back, sometimes awkward, sometimes steady, but always honest. His comments still here, still showing up. Then I saw his numbers climb. 142, 207. And then one morning, Brad posted, guys, 1,000 views. Now it makes me go cold and tingly just thinking about it. The comments section started to light up, not with hype, but with real resonance. You see, people finally felt him. He wasn't just chasing numbers anymore, he was building trust. See, most people trip up in two ways. They either overshare without any center, or they freeze, trying so hard to sound authentic that it just ends up stiff and a bit scripted. But here's the real key. Raw doesn't mean rambling. It means real, with intent. So before you hit that record button, take a breath, tune in. So what's one truth that you want to share from the heart today? Tell me in the comments and speak it and let it be enough. Once you've shared that first raw video, don't even look at the numbers, but check in with yourself instead. How did it feel? Did it feel freeing? Was it scary? Or did it feel honest? That's your real proof. You're breaking out of the filter phase and showing up for real, not just for views. Every little upload is more than just content. It's a declaration. Your presence still matters. You're not invisible. So do it again. One take, one truth, one upload at a time. After 5 of these, you'll start to feel which moments truly connect, inside and out. Now, if this is resonating and you're ready to try real, raw content, amazing. Absolutely amazing. But let's be honest, knowing what to say when the camera's on can feel like the next huge mountain. So in this next video, I'm going to guide you through the exact prompts I give my clients to help you speak from your center with clarity, confidence, no scripts, no fluff. Even if you've never done this before, you'll walk away with the words that actually feel like you. Take care. Much love. See you there.